As always, you're carefully drawing your eyeliner, knowing that what you're doing is right because you've practiced in front of the mirror for a few days and finally figured out the technique, so you trust your skills. And I also trust my skills, so I'm drawing my eyeliner without any stress because I know it's perfect and flawless. Everything was going well and I finished my eyeliner until I look in front of the mirror and my winged eyeliner turns out like this. I told myself that the problem was with the shape of my eyes and that maybe I needed to make some changes, but I was completely wrong until I learned the new technique for drawing winged eyeliner. I compared the new and old techniques and successfully drew a flawless winged eyeliner. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to teach you a very simple technique for drawing winged eyeliner so you don't waste hours trying to perfect it. It works for all eye shapes, whether you have hooded eyes or like me puffy eyes. So keep watching the rest of the video and let's get started. You may not be sure which product to use for drawing winged eyeliner. In fact, there are various options like felt tip liners that are very popular or liquid and gel eyeliners. You can use whichever one you feel comfortable with, so don't worry about it. I prefer to use gel eyeliner because I find it easier to work with among these options. So I take my eyeliner brush and mark the starting point at the outer corner of my eye. I draw a small dot exactly at the end of this area of my eye. Then in line with that dot and along the end of my eyebrows, I make another dot. For the third dot, I draw it slightly higher than the first one, which will be the end point. This is the guide for drawing winged eyeliner. Just like that, I carefully draw the wing of my eyeliner by connecting the dots together. It's that simple. You just need to practice and be patient, but I think you can do it well on your first try. So if you're a beginner and just starting out, this technique can help you. To finish it, I connect the last dot to the middle of my eyelid with a slanted line. You can extend the line to the inner corner of your eyelid based on your preference. Then I carefully fill in the empty areas with gel eyeliner. The eyeliner application is complete. I've decided to use false eyelashes to finish the look. Thank you for watching this tutorial video until the end. The eyeliner looks perfect and was done quickly. If you found it helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments down below, or feel free to share it with your friends. I usually post weekly tutorials, so if you don't want to miss them, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button. I really appreciate your support. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.